up for
no, that's a fact.
Let me get you in front of here, yeah? There we go. Alright. Here you go.
All hip hop.
Oh, hip-hop, all hip-hop. I'm
looking forward to everything, man. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm looking forward to the old school, the new school, and the global presence that is. Joe, JB, pretty much everybody. Wow, I have so many favorite moments, man. You know.
What up? What's up, boys? How are you?
Delaware in the house. Delaware in the building.
You know baby Kate, right?
And take a moment to celebrate ourselves. So this is like almost like a finish line, but it's actually like a new race. So we're just taking a moment, soaking it all in, looking back, reminiscing, and feeling really good.
I made the game of it, so that his performance tonight. Plus, looking forward to it.
I'm honestly, I know this is generic, but I'm looking forward to everything. Because with a site like All Hip Hop, we celebrate every aspect of the culture. Oh.
What's your hip hop commandment? Oh, you like that? You got a okay.
Word. Oh, man, you brought the old school lingo out of me. My commandment is be original. That's my commandment. All hip hop is an original. And so that's what I do. Be original.
Well, you heard it from the back. Thank you so much for talking, Rolling.
Thank you. Yeah, salute Mothers and Steve, man. Oh, no.